What's going on, beautiful people? It's your boy Marlon O Bennett. Let me start this video off by saying Happy Mother's Day to all my beautiful moms, young and old, all over the country, particularly for all you beautiful moms who have subscribed to my YouTube channel. And for all of you beautiful moms who are finding me for the very first time, Happy Mother's Day to you too, guys. Let's get that out of the way. Guys, in today's video, I want to talk about working from home, making money, and starting your own business, okay? Working from home, making money, and starting your own business. Now, for you guys who are finding me for the very first time, or for you guys who were fortunate enough to be on my special announcement yesterday, I talked about a brand new system that will actually enable anybody, right? Young or old, moms and dads, anybody looking for a way to earn some extra income. If you want to go the extra mile and really get busy and start your own business, well, guys, you're in for a spectacular treat as I continue with my special announcement across this Mother's Day weekend. Now, guys, let me say this real quick before we move forward. I read somewhere about 3 or 4 months ago that the new illiterate, right, of the 22nd century will not be people who cannot read or write, right? Let me slowly say that again. The new illiterate of the 22nd century will not be people who cannot read and write. In fact, it's happening right now, guys, even before the new centuries got here, right? Listen, unless or until, right, you learn to navigate your way around the World Wide Web, guys, in months or years, I'm saying years, is really getting close to that right now. The way that people are going to be making their money online, believe it or not, guys, 90% of the way that you're going to be able to make money, period, not just online, will be online, okay? Look at what's happening, guys. Things are slowly transitioning, right? I went to a Kinko's the other day. You know, guys, I was going to have a hard copy of something done up, and I did. If you guys saw that video, you saw me do that. And I was asking the guy. He charged me for the copies that I wanted from Kinko's. He was actually charging me 89 cents per color copy. Now, that didn't bother me because I had a copier online, right, who does what I needed done online. I just wanted a hard copy from him, who charges me, what was it? I think it's 5 or 7 cents per copy, guys. And I asked the guy in Kinko's, how do you compete? He said, we can't. Years ago, I used to work for Kinko's, guys, and I remember when that business was booming, but now they've closed a lot of them down, guys. Why? Because everything is moving to online, right? You know that, guys. I don't have to tell you guys that. Everything. You don't have to pay an arm and a leg for anything anymore because you can go online and get it. And that also, it holds true for starting your own business, guys. You don't have to pay a lot of money to start your own business. You don't have to pay a lot of money to get into a deal that's going to enable you to make a lot of money. If a lot of money is what you want to make, if an extra $200 is all you need a week, guys, or an extra $500 a month is all you need, or maybe it might be $1,000, right? It could be 2 or 3,000, right? But I bet you this, guys, you can really, really, really easily, right, surpass your income. You know, if you work a regular job, you can easily surpass that, guys, with the right business opportunity. And today, guys, what I want you guys to see, I want you to see what I see. And when you're watching this, understand this is exactly what people who you can introduce this business to, who you can get in front of. And we're going to show you 1,001 ways how to do it. Then you can make money online, guys. You can make money working from home. You can make a little extra income. You can start your own business. But you guys know, I like to say, talk is cheap because the supply always exceeds the demand. So what I'm going to do, guys, I'm going to leave a link right here in this YouTube video description area. I'm not going to ask you guys to opt in or anything. The presentation is going to be there waiting for you. I want you guys, as you continue to enjoy your Mother's Day weekend, sit back, relax, pop the top to an ice cold pop, right? Or beer or wine, whatever you like to drink, guys. Do what you want to do. But watch this video, guys, and see if it might not open your mind to the endless possibilities of what absolutely anybody's able to do today, right? Just because of the powerful World Wide Web, okay? You're going to be excited. You're going to really, really want to reach out and kiss me. But that's what I'm waiting for later on tonight, guys. Me and my wife are going to hang out and celebrate Mother's Day just a little bit, watch a couple of movies. But I want you guys to watch this. I appreciate you guys for being on the video. This is explosive. All of the guys that you see in this picture, guys, I have worked with at some point in time or another. They are my sponsors in different business opportunities. You guys probably know them, right? Well, this hot new system is going to allow you guys to join the team. It's going to allow you to join the ranks of home-based business entrepreneurs, right? Or people just looking to earn a little extra income right now, today. Okay, anyway, that's my time, guys. It is Mother's Day. A lot of you guys are finding this after, you know, you've been out, you've had the cookouts, you've done all that, you know. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Anyway, I gotta go, guys, because I gotta do some things. I appreciate you guys being on the video. As always, this is your boy Marlon O Bennett, wishing you guys wisdom, peace, prosperity, and to living a dynamic digital internet lifestyle without limits. And hopefully I'll see you guys on the inside. Keep banging, guys.